Hey guys, it's the best day of the week. It is a fix day. I am Shannon. Thanks for stopping by. So I just want to show you my latest summer fix. I don't know if I'm keeping anything out of this. I do think there's some cute options though. I'm already wearing the first item. The first piece is this really cute it's an Alvn Studio dress. It's probably about knee length, and most folks it's got above the knee for me. It's just a cute little blue and white. It's got like the puff sleeves, kind of a deep V. This is smocked here, so flattering but comfortable. This is $59, and I do think this is super cute. It is a little short on me though. So the dress exterior is 100% cotton, so we love that, right? And it is fully lined, love that too, but the lining is polyester. But it does actually feel really, really cute, and I think it is a cute dress if you're looking for a cute little easy breezy summer option. I'll do a quick spin. I don't know if this is for me, but I think it is cute, will be cute on a lot of women. All right, next I have this really cute little red kind of rib knit tank top. This is $39, and this is by Gilli. I'm trying to remember that. So I do think it's very flattering. I think this is kind of a fun little gather detail. Obviously it's got a deep V. It's definitely kind of a night out kind of sexy top, and of course I do love red, so I think this is a cute option. I don't know if I need this, but it is fun. And then on the bottom, actually, this is a freestyle item I ordered. It's just a little gray skirt from, I think, Violets and Roses. It's got that little pleat at the bottom in a light gray. It's like a pencil skirt. It was on sale for 20 bucks, so I think I'm keeping this. I think this is just kind of a nice light neutral for the office. All right, a couple more things to show you. I told you this is gonna be just lightning fast today. All right, next I have this it's a little beacon polyester top. It's got these double ruffle sleeves, a little pleating up here. This just does feel polyester, which is nice because it does give a lot of stretch and it doesn't wrinkle. So this is on sale for like $18, so that's kind of cool. Let me do a quick spin. There is some cute crisscross detail. For me though, I just don't like the olive as a neutral. I think it's kind of drab, and then obviously I don't love the neckline, but it is a good deal, and this actually would look really nice with jeans or trousers or tucked into a skirt. It definitely is a versatile basic. All right, let me show you the last two pieces. So these are a cute little pair of sparkly hoop earrings, $29 by Everri, and they're silver tone. And then the last item is this little, I believe it's probably a maxi dress on most folks. It's kind of just to my ankles. Little sleeveless polyester, kind of sunflower print dress by Beacon, $58. Definitely feels like summer. It does have a comfortable elastic band here. Just kind of a higher waist. I actually think this is cute. I don't think this is like something I would keep, but I do think it's cute. I think part of it is I don't love sleeveless or strapless style, so maybe if it had straps, I'd be more interested in keeping it. All right, guys, so that is my summer fix. How did I do? What did you think? Any pieces you think were amazing? Any pieces you thought were awful? Also, let me know what you're seeing in your fix. They definitely are working on a lot more inventory at Stitch Fix, and I definitely am seeing some new stuff in the inventory, which I'm putting in your guys' boxes and my own. As you guys know, I'm a stylist for the company. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. If you like these kind of videos, thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.